owning a jet, like driving a Lamborghini, like owning a yacht. Those are high frequency. Bakit? Pag sumakay ka ng jet, anong feeling? Masaya? Masaya. Pag champagne ka sa jet, sabi nga ni Bruno Mars, champagne tastes better on jet. Nako, ano pa? Yung Lamborghini, when you drive, it's different kind of frequency. When you travel and you go to the Northern Lights, anong feeling pag nakita mo yon? Kaya ka ba ron? May isip mo yung mga problema mo. Olo, na-hurt niya ako. Tapos may aurora borealis sa harapan. Hindi ganon. It's a high frequency kind of an experience. You need to be in that frequency so that you can match. Kaya nga, sa lahat na nandito na hindi masyadong nakakapagkaroon pa ng pangarap, I tell you to have your dream. Because that will set your frequency so high pag may pangarap ka. Iba yung gising mo pag alam mo wala ka ng pangarap. At iba yung gising mo ngayon na may pangarap ka na. At iba yung gising mo araw-araw sobrang inspired mo. That's why, for me, don't be hurt. Sayang ang panahon, sayang ang energy, sayang yung feelings. Because you deserve to feel all the love in this world the world can offer.